Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I am going to wrap this. This is a birthday present for somebody, and I wanted to make a box for it, but given the sizes of it, it's 20 centimetres this way, 8 inches by 3 inches, 7.5 centimetres that way, so it's not going to be easy to make a box in the normal way from one sheet of paper. Or rather one sheet of cardstock, but I'm going to do my best to do it from 1 and a bit. So the colour I'm actually going to work with is Pretty Peacock, which is this one here. I felt like the green of this wasn't quite shaded spruce, and that I keep wanting to call it Lost Lagoon. Pretty Peacock is actually going to be better. So anyway, what I can see in my head is sort of a flop open box idea. That's what I can see. So I know this is 8 inches and that down to there is 3 inches. So that is 11 inches. And in metric, it's actually 20.5 by 7.5. So that's 28 centimetres. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a bit off the top of the card to make it that 11 inches, that 28 centimetres. Okay, so we are full flight school summer holidays here right now, right through until I think my boys go back on the 8th of September, something like that. Right, so I've cut that bit off, so that is going to give me the bit to the top. So while I'm here, I'm actually going to score 3 inches, or if you were working in metric, score it at that 8 centimetre mark. So now I know that is going to fit the bottom of the box and up the side. I can absolutely see this in my head. I don't know if it's going to work, but that's what I'm working with. Okay, and then because I know it's 3 inches, that's 7.5 centimetres, I'm going to cut in 3 inch increments off this 12-inch side to get 4 separate pieces that I can glue together, and it's going to make I don't know where to put that, back in the drawer. I can see it going like this, roughly, and then building up like that. If I could pick it up, I can't pick that bit up. Okay, so it's going to build up like that. There we go. And then I just need a lid on the top. That's what I'm seeing. Are you seeing it too? I hope you're seeing it too. Right, let's start gluing this together. Okay, liquid glue. A bit gummed up liquid glue. Oh, is it time for a new one? Oh, wrong drawer. Oh, other wrong drawer. Hang on. There's a new one. Oh, that one's been opened. That's weird. Okay, oh, my bin is overflowing. Oops. Right. Liquid glue onto there, and I'm using liquid glue, not my favourite adhesive medium, but I'm using it so that I've got that little bit of wiggle room. Okay. This gift is to go with the card that I made last week, one I did when I was rambling about my lovely holiday in Salou. We loved it so much. We are absolutely planning to go back. We're looking at villas or apart hotels. We can do a bit of cooking for ourselves, but also some exploring. But yeah, this present is to go with that. Okay, right, so I think this is going to work. I hope it's going to work. Yay! Ta-da! Right, so what I want to do now, and I'm going to tip it that way a little bit. I want to put a lid on this. Oh, that's so much fun. It's like one of my infamous flop open boxes, isn't it? The ones that I did with, oh, what was that lip balm called? Can't remember. Right, I've got a piece of 6x6 And obviously I know that it's 3 inches across the top, which leaves me only 1.5 inches either side. So that, what's that going to be? It's 7.5 across, which is leaving me in metric 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5. It's leaving me 8, so it's 4 centimetres either side. If you are scoring in metric. Okay, where is my stylus? Is there? Okay, so I'm going to score it 1.5 inches on each side. Or you would score it at 4 centimetres if you are working in metric. Okay, that's that done. Let's put that down. It's probably going to fall, knowing me. Okay, so that's all of it cut and scored. So, oh, some scissors here. I hope these are good ones. Oh, I can't see a thing. Right, so I'm going to cut straight on that rectangle and then just chop into this square a little bit. And just rotate. Ow! Rotate round. Don't stab yourself. And keep going all the way around. So yes, as I said, we are full flight summer holidays here. And the boys have got another 4 weeks, give or take, maybe 4.5 weeks, something like that. I don't remember. But we're loving it. And actually, the last few years, I've been away and missed those last 10 days of the holiday, 2 weeks. You know, if you're having jet lag, because I've been out in the States. So this year is quite nice not to be going away. Is that really bad? I don't know, but no, it's nice to be at home with the boys over the holidays, right up to the last minute. So we're taking full advantage. Right, so I'm going to put some adhesive on here. I'm just using seal. And I'm concerned that I have made that finger bleed. No, I haven't. That's good. Right. And just slip it over all the way. And then hopefully that, when it goes on here, it's just going to sit on nicely and keep this box closed. I hope, I hope, I hope. Maybe I should have done that just a tiny bit bigger. Okay, I'm going to get another one. So we're going to score it slightly, because this is exactly 3 inches and that is exactly 3 inches. Okay, so slight change of plans. So I'm going to do it at 1.5 inches, but it's actually going to be a hair of a slip under. So I'm just going to move a tiny bit out and do exactly the same. So it's actually like, what would that be? 1 7/16 or something like that. So, and in metric, you're scoring it about 3.8 centimetres. Okay. Try again, Samantha. Okay, where I can see. Let's try not to stab my little finger again this time. One of my sons is downstairs cooking pasta. I can smell it. I said to them, you're old enough all to make your own lunches and stuff now, so if you want to sleep in late in the morning and have late lunch or early lunch, that is up to you. And yeah, he's cooked pasta. I'm going to say it's packet pasta. Just add milk and water and a bit of butter and boil. That's what he's doing, but it smells. I can smell it all the way up here. There we go. Okay. We're also looking at doing some day trips. So if anybody lives within about an hour and a half of me. So I live in a little Fenland, Cambridgeshire Fenland town. I'm about 20 minutes out of Peterborough, about an hour north of Cambridge, hour and a half to Nottingham, that sort of area. So if anybody can think of nice days out with the boys, let me know. Particularly these two younger ones that, you know, the others are working. But yeah, they are 13 and a half and Jacob is almost 16. He has his 16th birthday in the summer holidays. Right, let me push that. Yay, it worked. It worked. It's gaping a little bit, so I think I might beribbon this bit here. And, oh, what ribbon have I got? Ooh, I've got this one, which I really like at the moment. This is the frayed grosgrain ribbon. Love this stuff at the minute. So it is gaping a tiny little bit. But I'm sure we can fix that because, you know, we can fix anything. But yeah, if anybody can think of days out, let me know. So about an hour, maybe an hour and a half of where I am. Let me know. Hey, I could always jump on a train though. That's only an hour. Oh, I'm happy. It worked. Oh, I'm going to add a tag to it as well. But I'm really happy that worked. Oh, hello, Sorrel. She's also happy. She's just off camera. Oh no, here she comes. Yeah, I'm really happy with how that came out. I had it in my head. And it worked. You could obviously, if you were going to do something like this, you could put paper on this bit and then do a cardstock top, all sorts of decorations. But, you know, it's not like I don't use my projects as gifts for people, because I do. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Oh, that was only 12 minutes. Oh, wow, I thought I'd been going for longer than that. But yeah, anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.